In this video, we're going to talk about how to set up your gradebook. You will only have to do this once per year, but you do have to do it for every gradebook. So as usual, once you're signed in, you choose your school and your class, and then under the instruction tab, you're going to click assignments. I know you're setting up your gradebook, but actually you start under assignments. Under the assignments tab, there are two options. One is edit grade calculation options and the other is edit categories. You will do both of those at the beginning of the year and then you won't have to touch them again. So let's go through them. Under edit grade calc options, you will select a grading scale, and there should only be two. There's going to be one Fairfield grading scale unless you do pass fail, and then there'll be that, and you will just choose one of the two right here. You will click weight categories and you will click fill all, and then you'll click save. That's all you have to do. You're telling the computer your grading scale and that you're going to use weighting categories. If you are a teacher that uses points, still check weight categories. I'll talk to you about how to do that. Never, ever, ever use this box. So you'll still do that, and I will show you how to do your point system using the categories. So then you click Save, and it will take you back to that assignment list. So that's step one. You'll have to do that for every class that you have. Then you click Edit Categories and create a category. This is where you create your categories and set your weights. So you can type in the name of your category. You can set the weight of that. The sequence only means where it shows up in the gradebook. If you're dropping the lowest score, or if you're not including this in calculation, you could put that here. Many teachers don't use that. Click the number of classes that you have that will have this category, and then click quarter grade. In middle school, we will never, ever, ever click these other options. We will always only click quarter grade. This is very important that you don't add categories to other grading tasks. The only thing you will do is click quarter grade. And once you've done that, you can click Save Category. And it might take a few minutes to complete. Click OK. And when you're done, go back to the categories. And you can see that it added my category and my weight. And you go again to make the next category, and that might be tests. And you go through this again, click how many classes you have, choose the grading task, etc. And that's how you make a category. Your categories here should add up to 100. And as you saw, you don't have to do that for every class because you could check the classes that you want to add, but for every type of class you have, you will have to do the category. So if you're a 6th grade teacher, you'll have to do your language arts class and then your 3 social studies class. So I hope that explains that. You'll only have to do creating categories and weighting them and the grading calculation once per year. So I hope that helps.